This is the second video on our trailer conversion. Since the last video, I've done a little more work on the trailer. Actually raised the trailer 4 inches over the weekend. I did that by cutting the spring mounts off. So I cut these off and I added this piece of 2-inch by 4-inch square tubing right here. That sits directly below the original frame, so that gave me, like I said, a 4-inch lift. Got the trailer up off the ground to where I don't have to worry about it dragging anymore. It looks a little bit odd to me, but I'd rather have a little bit odd than a trailer that drags the ground. Not sure how well the LED lights showed up in the last video, so it's starting to get a little bit dark now. So you may be able to see the exterior lighting a little bit better now. We've got 2 lights on each side, 2 lights on the rear of the trailer, and 1 light on the front of the trailer. They put out a lot of light at nighttime. These were just some cheap LEDs I bought on eBay. Cheap, but they seem to do the job. So let's go inside now, and I'll show you a little bit of progress. So since the last video, I've installed the countertops, paneling in the kitchen area, installed some cabinets, just kind of a test fit, installed the panel that houses the switches for the lights, water heater, etc. Also installed a battery cutoff switch, so when the trailer's in storage, not in use, we can shut the battery off. We've also completed the installation of the converter. As you can see, it's labeled really clear, so we know exactly what breaker or fuse each circuit goes to. So the countertops we started with plywood, 3/4 inch plywood, cut them to fit. And use the epoxy, actually it's a 2-part epoxy, as a final finish. And we started with a black base, and then we swirled in a little bit of color, a little bit of blue and gold. Not sure how well that's going to show up, but we've got just a little bit of color in it. Didn't go crazy, didn't go overboard, just something to give it a little bit of color. So that's about it. Plan on doing a little more work here in the next couple weeks, so as that work is done, I'll update and show you the progress. Thanks for watching.